The arthropod group, Brachiopoda, includes the order Cladocera. These organisms are about a millimeter in size typically and are very important members of both benthic communities and the zooplankton. They possess a single compound eye, and most also possess a simple eye, an ocellus. They possess a beak which helps them to scrape vegetative material such as algae from sediments. In addition to the small first antenna, there's the larger segmented second antenna. Much of their body cavity region is composed of a digestive tract, and they possess a dorsal heart, which pumps fluid through the coelomic cavity. Most brachiopods are about a millimeter in size. The thorax forms two halves of a carapace, which enclose most of the body, kind of like an overcoat except for the head, and forms a brood chamber where young can develop. At the tip of the abdomen, post-abdominal claws can be used to clean the setae, or the bristles on the legs, as they process sediments and form a bolus of food which can be ingested. Or it can reject the bolus. This claw can push it away if the bolus is not to be ingested. So for example, if it contained cyanobacteria which produced toxins, the claw could then push it away. In this video, you can observe the setae of the legs processing elements of the sediment and preparing a bolus which can then be ingested. They can be quite numerous, and more than 1 million individuals can exist in a square meter of sediment. In one single habitat, say a lake, more than a dozen species can be found. Most of the reproduction is asexual through parthenogenesis, although sexual reproduction can also occur, and fossil relatives of this group are known since the Cambrian period. In general, they can be considered to be herbivores, given that the majority of their diet is composed of algae and cyanobacteria, the producers of freshwater habitats. But they can also ingest other bacteria, protists such as ciliates, and small animals such as rotifers and small copepods. Brachiopods are very important in food chains. Not only do they ingest the producers, they then serve as food for a diverse assortment of predators, including flatworms, arthropods such as copepods, many insects such as dragonfly and damselfly larvae, fly larvae, aquatic insects such as back swimmers. A diversity of fish can feed on brachiopods, and salamanders as well can do so.